The lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is 4224 centimeters square. It is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. Now, lateral surface of a curved of a cylinder is excluding the circular faces, right? It is only this much. This is the base of circular face, this is the top, so it is only this much is the lateral surface of the cylinder. So and this is height and this is so the lateral surface area of a cylinder is what? 2 pi r h. Now they are saying that it is cut along and formed a rectangular sheet. Suppose I have already shown you in the previous video where I have explained volume and surface area of cylinder, that a cylinder is made by rolling a rectangular sheet. So if you cut the cylinder and you can make it back to a rectangular sheet. So this is the height of the rectangular sheet and this is the length. Height or you can say the breadth of the rectangular sheet and this is the length. Now we need to find out the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. Here tips is given. First find the length and breadth of the rectangular sheet and then its perimeter. We are not aware of the measurement of length and breadth of the rectangular sheet. Okay, breadth is 33 centimeter. We are given that breadth. This is the breadth which is 33 centimeter. Now according to the question, rectangular sheet has width or breadth of 33 centimeter, which is the height of the cylinder. So h is equal to 33 centimeter. As I have already told you that you are cutting this cylinder into a rectangular sheet. So this is the height of the sheet which will become the breadth of the rectangular sheet, which is equal to 33 centimeter. Lateral surface area of a cylinder, I have told you 2 pi r h. 2 pi r. Why 2 pi r? Because it is this is the circumference of the circle. Circumference of a circle is called is equal to 2 pi r, right? And lateral surface is, if you open this, then this becomes what? 2 pi r and this is h. So 2 pi r h is this entire area, and if you roll the sheet, this entire area becomes the lateral surface area of the cylinder. I have already explained this in the video where I have explained cylinder to you. Please go through that video again if you are not understanding what I am telling you. Then you calculate the radius like this. Also, on cutting the hollow cylinder, the perimeter of the base becomes the length of the rectangular sheet. So, length of the rectangular sheet, as I have told, is perimeter of the circle, that is 2 pi r. So, this is the length, 128 centimeter. Breadth is the height of the cylinder. Breadth of the rectangular sheet is the height of the cylinder, that is 33 centimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. We got 322 centimeter as perimeter of the rectangular sheet. A road roller takes 750 complete revolution to move once over to level a road. Find the area of the road if the diameter of the road roller is 84 centimeter and length is 1 meter. First, road roller is of what shape? It is of cylindrical shape. Or do you remember, have you ever seen road roller working? Road roller is in cylindrical shape. So firstly find the area of the road covered in one revolution. Suppose this is the road roller. You revolve it. You are revolving it. So in one revolution it is covering area of one cylinder of this size. राइट अगर ये पेन क्या है? सिलेंड्रिकल शेप है. अगर मैं इस पेन को ऐसे रिवॉल्व कर रही हूँ, घुमा रही हूँ, सो इट इज़ कवरिंग area of the, in one roll, it is covering area, the complete surface area of the cylinder. So they have told the diameter of road roller is 84 centimeter. We need what? Radius. So radius is equal to diameter divided by 22. So we got the radius here. Curved surface area of the road roller is 2 pi RH. Curved surface area or the lateral surface area. See again, this pen, this is in cylindrical shape. This pen is in cylindrical shape. जब मैं इसको घुमा रही हूँ तो ये कौन सा सरफेस एरिया कवर कर रहा है? सिर्फ कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया, लैटरल सरफेस एरिया. इज इट कवरिंग द टॉप एंड बॉटम? नो, द टॉप एंड बॉटम इज नॉट covering the road. So only thing which is covering the road of the cylinder is the lateral surface area. Therefore, we need to find out the lateral surface area, that is 2 pi RH, which comes to R we have calculated from the diameter given. H is the length of the road. Sorry, length of the road 1 meter. Since see, the diameter is given in centimeter and the length is given in 1 meter. See, there is a difference between the units centimeter and meter. So we need to change meter into centimeter or change centimeter into meter. It is up to you. So here we have changed 1 meter to 100 centimeter. 2 pi RH. H is the length of the road. It is covering over the road. Length of the road is 100 centimeter. So length, so height of the cylinder will also be 100 centimeter. Area covered by road roller in one revolution is 26,400 centimeter square. They have again converted it into meter square. If you want, you can keep it in centimeter square, or you can change it here only. Instead of changing 1 meter, you change 84 centimeter. It's up to you. Area covered by the road roller in 750 revolution. एक revolution में अगर इतना एरिया कवर कर रहा है तो 750 revolution में कितना एरिया कवर करेगा? It is this much. Is that clear, class? Since this is centimeter square, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. तो यहाँ पे अगर हमें मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो हमें 2 सेंटीमीटर मल्टीप्लाई करने होंगे, बिकॉज इट इज सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. रिमेंबर द कन्वर्जन क्लास. अगर यहाँ पे सिर्फ सेंटीमीटर होता देन वी वुड हैव डिवाइडेड इट विथ 100. सिंस इट इज सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर मतलब 2 टाइम्स, इसलिए 100 into 100 2 टाइम्स टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मीटर स्क्वायर.